Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Smile Mommy Lydia. Thank you for subscribing guys. We are really growing. Thank you, I appreciate you all, and welcome back my returning subscribers, welcome back my new subscribers, welcome back my new viewers. I love you all, I value you all. Sorry. So today I want you to see how we make pancakes with just one ingredient, or rather, I want to cook it with just milk, flour, salt, sugar, and it will be so tasty. But I have a secret ingredient, so stay tuned. Welcome. Let's come to this. I hope you will all enjoy. Kindly, if you view my videos, kindly subscribe. I'll appreciate. Welcome to this. Let's get to my kitchen. They are used to seeing me in the kitchen, so we'll go straight to that. We have here milk, warm milk of course. So before I add flour, I love so much vinegar, but let's add salt. We add sugar. I have a fork here, so I'll mix the mixture. Then I'll add my flour. This is 1 cup. So 2 cups flour. Here is our secret ingredient, vinegar, white vinegar of course. I really love the taste. I love the taste. We'll have this consistency. It's very smooth, without lumps. Okay. So my fork has no use again. Done. So let's start. Onto the pan. It's already hot guys. So I don't like fluffy cake. the pancakes. Done. Mom, I think that's going to be the last one that we have. The tiniest that we have made, right?
Yeah.
We're done, guys.